Hey guys, I wanted to invite you to another episode of Cash Trucks. Here we have a 2013 Freightliner Cascadia Cummins ISX 15. So on Cash Trucks, what we usually do is we show you what I found online, and truck prices are going down, guys. They're going down, so check this out. All right, look, I get it. You might not want a Schneider truck, but this is Cash Trucks, so these trucks are pretty cheap. Let's check one out. All right, we did a 600,000 mile or less. Truck prices are finally going down. They're still not where they should be, in my opinion, but they're dang close. Look, this is a 2018. That's a SFI special, 72-inch raised roof, Detroit, automatic, APU equipped, 67 grand, 579,000 miles. That's not a bad truck, guys. That is an efficient monster and way better pricing. Let's see, this one's just added 55,000 for a 2017 with 530. I believe this one does not have the APU, and I'm pretty sure that would be a company truck right there, not an SFI truck. The reason why, yeah, no APU. The reason why I want to stay away from the company trucks is because, I mean, Schneider, they're a mega carrier. They're going to hire anybody. There's another 2018 for 67. There's a 2018 for 65. Oh, there's a beauty. 118 grand. That's still, oh, that's a 2021, man. That's still up there, though, We're going to stay away from those. 118,000, 109,000 for 2021. I promise you prices are going down. I mean, well, you know what I mean? 67 for 18 is pretty much unheard of right now. Well, until now. There's 65 for an 18. So yeah, guys, I mean, they're out there. You got to search them out. Sorry about the barking dog. I just wanted to show you guys a couple of these prices. This, oh man, if it had an APU, I'd be all over that. I'm an APU snob. You got to have an APU of some sort if you're going to have high miles like that, or your price better be dang low. Or you better have Park Smart or something, Here we go. Here we go. I still don't have an APU, but it's 52. There we go. Now we're talking. 2017 for 52. It's got the Detroit and the automatic and all that stuff. I'm still thinking this is a company truck, though. It is. Yeah, man. You know what I mean? When you see these, that means any and everybody's driven it, right? Yeah, just a basic interior. So, still a dang good price. 52 for a 2017. Man. Sorry, I literally just copied that. I'm going to send that to somebody. Let's do a couple more real quick. You can always add an APU. Someone that I look up to told me that. There's a 2016 for 56. Okay, we're on now, guys. Yeah. Look at that 2016 with 427,000 miles. How much was the one I looked at just a second ago? Where'd it go? For 52. Yeah. Yeah, no. We're going to save this one. That should be the one I'd be interested in. Look at those miles. But it's a dang company truck. Jeez. All right, hang on. All right, we'll check out the things here. 427,000 miles. It's in Pennsylvania. Yeah, 100-gallon tanks. Gear ratios 2.47. 224-inch wheelbase. Nothing extra at all. But whatever. I mean, look at this truck. I'd pimp it out. For all you tanker wankers, yankers, I'm sorry. Here's a 2017 72-inch. 450 horsepower automatic, 73,000. That's in Gary, Indiana. 347,000 miles. Not bad, not bad. And you know me, I love the SFI trucks. This is the 2020. I had this truck. Probably not the same one. This one's got 597,000 miles. They want 80,000 bucks for it. Find me a 2020 any cheaper. This one's got all the bells and whistles, you know what I mean? It's APU and all that stuff. Good truck. Good truck. Yeah, see, I would jump all over that. Just because I love how, guys, I was getting every bit of 9 miles per gallon, with these trucks whenever I did SFI. Here's another one. way too much. Nope. But yeah, 80 grand for this one. I mean, yeah, that's mine right there, bro. Bruh. Yeah, I had the exact same collar and everything. Beautiful. And we're back at truck paper. We just did a detailed search for anything under 100,000. That's a sleeper cab. A lot of Peterbilts here, 2015s with high miles. I guess they're not too high. There's an Aero. They're all Aero trucks that I'm looking at for the most part, obviously. There's a, oh look at this International Pro Star. It's got the Cummins in it. Over 1 million miles, 27.5. Guys, I got over 1 million miles on mine. I'm asking 18 today. Bring it. Bring the 18. Take the truck. Here's a Volvo 670. They want 34 for it. It's got 880,000 miles. I didn't put a cap on the miles. Maybe I should have. I wanted to show you real quick. There's a Cascadia 125. It's got low miles, 593,000. It's a 2012 for 50 grand. Oh, here we go, right here. 2016 Cascadia 125, 595,000 miles for 59 grand. Oh, here we go. 2018 Cascadia for 89. Nope. And there's a stray cat trying to climb up my leg. Here we go, right here. 2019 Cascadia T680, 98,000 bucks. 417,000 miles. I mean, current day, yeah, dude. You know what I mean? If we were talking a couple months ago, that truck would have been 120, 130 grand. But yeah, it's prices have definitely dropped. Still not where I think they should be. I mean, most people would agree with me, right? You know, you don't want to pay 91 grand for a truck that's, you know, got 500,000 miles on it already. I know I don't. But yeah, that's what's up. Let's check the local marketplace. Here we go right off the bat. 2017 Freightliner Cascadia. What's going on? Okay. That's a weird shelf I've never seen. It's an automatic. No APU. 2017 for 50 grand. 776,000 miles. What do you think? Here she is right here. Look at this thing. 2002 Peterbilt 379, 45 grand. Look at the paint work on that. Wow. Look at the front bumper. That's cool as heck. Awesome. That's a palm tree it's sitting beside. It says it's in Indy. I don't think we have palm trees in Indy. There's a bunch back there. I think it comes with a car carrier. Let's see. 2002 Detroit 12.7 trans 10 speed. 40,000 firm. Looks like 6,500 if you want the trailer. Yeah, that did not translate well. Anyways, beautiful truck, really. Your car hauling can be a good thing. They got a speaker system inside. Awesome. I don't know. Not my cup of tea, but pretty. Alright, here's a 2014 for 49.5. Again, mine's a 2013. I'm only asking 18, so there's that. No APU. Doesn't say what motor it is. It is a manual transmission, 685,000 miles. So there's that. And we'll end this off with my favoriteest car. Actually, the 06 Evo 9 is my favorite. Because the Evo 9 MR, I'm sorry. This is close. If you know anything about Evos, man, these little guys they have like the highest power to weight ratio out there. You know, it's just basic, you know, great Mitsubishi quality. But these little suckers, they're hard to find without being modded to death. And these little suckers are quick. They're absolutely quick. Like, just nuts. Yeah, so there you go there. 41,000 on this. It's way overpriced for this little guy. Now, if it was the 06 MR, yeah, it's not. So, anyways, I wanted to thank you guys for hanging out. Wish me luck on my endeavors here.